Hi, lovely people. How are you? I'm doing great. I just got done doing our live stream, which I love that so much. I look forward to every Thursday when I do live streams. If you don't know, I go 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you haven't already, try to check one out. They're really fun. Anyway, so if you read from my title, I'm going to be unboxing the big size of the paper box subscription. This is the Grand size. There's two subscriptions you can get. You can get this one, which is $28 a month, or you can get the smaller one that is $10 a month. Now, I did do the bigger one last month. I will leave it right here and also down below. And I also did the smaller one, which again, I will leave that up here and down below if you want to see what it is. Now, what this is a stationery subscription box, and it is custom and themed every month. Well, because of the holidays, last month was themed Thanksgiving. This month is more towards Christmas. A few of you people wanted to see a few of these to see whether or not you would subscribe. So I did let her know that, and that's why she sent me this one for December. And I guess back after the holidays, January, February, you know, it'll go back to the normal, like just themed. So this is holiday. I have not opened it up, so I don't know what everything looks like. So let me know how your day is going. I really do like this. I wasn't really into stationery, but in the November box, I used more of that stuff than I thought I was going to use. So I just undid it, and that's what it looks like. And it says, good things happen to people named Anne. Oh, that's so nice. All right, so right on top, you get three little cards. One says, you are my favorite human. So I don't know if these are stickers or not. Another one says, remember, you are amazing. And the last one says, yes, you are beautiful. So this is nice that you can send these to someone. I like that. And then right here is the paper. And so that's what it looks like when you open it. All right, so this says, hello, Anne. After listening to your valuable feedback, we came up with new ways to make your box even better. This month, we have a variety of items that could be used for the upcoming holiday season or anytime. We also have some fun generic items ready for you to personally sign and send. Thank you for growing with us. So that's really nice right there. Okay. All right. Oh, so look at this. So it comes with some cards and like that. So this is definitely a lot different from the Thanksgiving box. So this has on my address. It's the P.O. box that I always have listed down in the description box. So it looks like it comes with envelopes that already have your address on it. So that's good. I love the fact that it's custom. I really do. Okay, so yeah, so each envelope has the address already on there. So you get some cards that are made already, of course. So this says happy. You open it up, and then it will have my name, you know, where I would just sign it, and you could write whatever you want. This one here says Happy New Year, which is nice. Same thing with my name. Let's see, what other ones do we got? We have this with the name here. What I like about these is I love the fact that we can write whatever we want, because I am old school and I still love getting cards that people actually hand write. You know, it's not too much of that anymore, you know. This is Season's Greetings. So I'm guessing all of them are like that with your name, so it's custom. All right, this one here says, Meowie Christmas. I know exactly who I'm going to send that to. All right. This one says, warmest greetings and best wishes for the new year. There we go. All right, a few more. So this one says, wishing you lots of love, joy, and happiness. This one here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Did you see this one? That's what that looks like. This one says Christmas, the only time of year you can sit in front of a dead tree and eat candy out of socks. How true is that? Okay. And all of them are, you know, that you could put whatever. Don't blame the holidays. You were fat in August. It's so true, right? Because after the holidays, I'm always like, oh my God, I gained so much weight from that. It's because of the holidays. Merry everything and happy always. Oh, I love that. And red and black are my two favorite colors together. My favorite color is turquoise, but if I had to put two together, it's red and black. So let's see how many you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 cards, and then you get the envelopes that go with it, which are custom with your address and stuff, which I really like that. I really, really like that. Okay, so then we have, it says just a note from Anne. So you have a little stationery here with, you know, everything here, all the same pages. I like, this is way better than last month. I definitely believe that. All right, so then we have, some little gift tags that say love Anne for presents right there. Let me open them up. Let me see if they're all different or are they the same? I don't know. Okay, yeah, they're all different. Oh, how nice is that? I really, really like this. I definitely would pay $28 for this box. Okay, so then we have a little notepad. And what is this? Oh, this is a little planner. So it says to do today, right there. And then you have the notes and you have the checklist and then you have all the times here to write. This is like really good for like YouTube and different things. And it has for the whole month of December. So December 1st, December 3rd, the 14th, you know, every single day. I love that. When is the last day? Is it the 25th or is it end, let's see. Oh, it ends December 31st. So I like this. I really like this. Okay. And then we have, now we got this last month for Thanksgiving. We have a little thing that is the December. So you have it both sides, which I like putting that right here on my table. Love that. Then we have another notepad that says, Anne, be as unique as a snowflake. Embrace all your dimensions. And so we have another notepad. This is really, really pretty. It has like little snowflakes. And you do get quite a bit of paper. Like this is not like 10 sheets. You get a lot. All right. And last but not least, let's see what this is. Okay. So you get some more cards here with the envelope. And oh, good. These are like thank you cards. So like if somebody sends you a gift, you know, you can mail back out a thank you card. So there's quite a few. Are really pretty. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you get 10 of them with the envelopes. I really like this box. This is definitely a lot better than last month. It really, really is. So this box is $28. I will definitely leave the link down below. I really like it. I'm not sure if I can find if there's maybe like a coupon code. I'll leave everything down below if I can find one for you. But you get a lot of stuff this month, and I definitely think it's worth the $28. This box is definitely. So I really, really like it. I don't know if she's going to send me the smaller version for December. I hope she does, so I can show that to you as well. But yeah, I like it. Maybe if she, I don't know if she's going to continue to send this to me. And if she does, I'll see if maybe she can send them both to me together. So that way you can see the bigger and the smaller one and see what you like. $28, this is great. Like I said, they also have a $10 a month one. So if she does send me that, I will show you that as well. But yeah, let me know what you think of this box. I actually really do like it. Like I said, I will leave the link down below. And I will also see if I can find a coupon code for you guys. I'm always trying to look out for you. All right, I love you guys. And please like this video. Comment down below what you think of it. Let me know if you like stationery. And as always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Oh, okay. All right, bye, guys.